What's up guys, Earl here of Tech, and Samsung has officially launched its newest member of the M series in the Philippines, the Galaxy M32. It features a MediaTek G80 chipset, Full HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate, quad rear cameras, and a massive 6000 mAh battery. We took it for a quick hands-on, so let's check it out. So the Galaxy M32 is a tall and thin device. It's a little heavier than the M31, though they have the same 6000 mAh battery. The rear is made out of a glossy polycarbonate material with a reflective strip pattern. Also at the back, you'll find the quad rear cameras and the LED flash. From this side, you will see its plastic frame with a metallic finish. Also for colors, the Galaxy M32 comes in black and light blue. The front panel consists of a 6.4 inches Full HD Plus S AMOLED Infinity U display that is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass. And unlike its predecessor, this time we're finally getting a refresh rate of up to 90Hz. The display has an Infinity U notch that houses the front camera and the speakerphone. The screen can also go up to a total brightness of 800 nits, which is legible under bright outdoor conditions. Its bezels are relatively thin except for the chin part. Located on the right are the volume buttons and power/lock key that also function as a fingerprint scanner. The keys are plastic but they are clicky and solid. Meanwhile, the dual SIM card tray with a dedicated micro SD card slot sits on the left side of the device. Up top is the secondary microphone, while down at the bottom we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and loudspeaker. Under the hood powering the M32 is a MediaTek G80 processor together with 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, and that massive 6000 mAh battery with an upgraded 25W fast charging compared to last year's 15 watts. It also features expandable storage up to 1TB, and as for software, it runs on One UI 3.1 that is based on Android 11. When it comes to cameras, we have the quad rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP main, an 8MP ultrawide, 2MP macro, and a 2MP depth sensor. And up front, we have a 20MP selfie camera. We'll talk more about it in our full review, but for now, here are some sample shots that we got. Now for the price. The Samsung Galaxy M32 is priced at 13,490 pesos, and it is now available via the flagship store in Lazada. We'll take it for a full spin in the next few days, so stay tuned for our full review. And that's it for now. Let us know what you guys think about the Galaxy M32 in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit UGTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Rel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.